As a parent, it's essential to know about the common illnesses that spread in schools among children. Let's take a look at some of them. The common cold and flu are easily spread when children cough or sneeze. Covering their mouth and nose can help prevent the spread of germs. Chickenpox is a highly contagious disease that spreads through direct contact or airborne particles. Keeping sick children at home can help prevent the spread of this disease. Strep throat is a bacterial infection that spreads through droplets in the air. Encouraging regular hand washing and avoiding sharing food and drinks can help prevent the spread of this infection. Hand, foot, and mouth disease is common in young children and can spread through saliva, feces, or airborne particles. Encouraging children to wash their hands regularly can help prevent the spread of this disease. Norovirus is a stomach and intestinal inflammation disease that can spread through contaminated food, surfaces, or close contact with an infected person. Encouraging regular hand washing and avoiding sharing personal items can help prevent the spread of this disease. Head lice are tiny insects that can spread through close contact with an infected person or sharing personal items. Encouraging children not to share personal items, such as hats and combs, can help prevent the spread of head lice. Pink eye is an inflammation of the thin, clear tissue that lines the inside of the eyelid and the white part of the eyeball. Encouraging children to wash their hands regularly and avoid touching their eyes can help prevent the spread of this infection. To prevent the spread of these illnesses, it's essential to practice good hygiene habits, such as washing hands regularly, covering the mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing, and keeping sick children at home. Let's work together to keep our children healthy and safe.